Yep, so I told you about Messi, didn't I? Messi the lizard.
Oh yeah. How's all that?
Sadly passed away. We had a burial this morning.
I don't understand why he changed his name.
We didn't change his name. His name's always been Messi. You just called him Bukayo.
Yeah, when I looked after him, his name was Bukayo.
Yeah.
Why would you call him Messi?
Maybe that's why he killed himself. But yeah, we had a burial for him today.
Did you?
Yeah.
How did that go?
Yeah.
Well, the boys a bit gutted about it.
Yeah, I think River thinks we're going to grow a new one because we put it in the ground. So I was
Planted a lizard tree.
Yeah, I was half tempted to stick him to a firework, to be honest, and just let him go. But
Sticking to a firework?
yeah,
What, the lizard? The dead lizard?
lizard. Yeah.
You're fucking going to get complaints from the RSPCA now.
Well, maybe not because he's dead.